Grassy Point Swing Bridge is used by the Burlington and North and Santa Fe Railroad, built in 1912. And it crosses the Mississippi River. Rather the St. Louis Bay between Duluth, Minnesota, and Superior, Wisconsin. See, look at this. All the details to this bridge. Yep, so, and then there's another one I'm gonna show you too. Yeah, so this is yeah. And so it's located in between Superior, Wisconsin, and Duluth, Minnesota, and it's still in use for rail traffic. And so it swings aside for boats and ships, and it swings back for train traffic. So it's located in between Minnesota and Wisconsin, at Duluth, Minnesota, and Superior, Wisconsin.